As we continue talking about folders and using them to organize your Gmail and Google Drive accounts, I want to show you just real quick a couple of examples of nested folders. This is what Google calls the system of subfolders that you're going to create. And we'll start in Gmail before we look in Drive. These folders, these labels and these folders over here to the side, you can see fall of 2020 has something else inside it. These are nested folders. And these are things that I trained. That's another video over with Gmail, more specific Gmail stuff. But I trained these emails to go right in here automatically. This is a subfolder. So all of these things that happened from flippity.net were automatically sent into this folder. And so from there, I could record, I could double check, I could do all the things I needed to do with them. But this is a nested folder. I also have a nested folder of ideas from the New York Times from a briefing that I get. I also have nested all the notifications I got from Google Classroom every time a scheduled assignment was posted. Because to start with, I wanted those notifications. I wanted to know that the assignment I had scheduled posted on days that maybe I wasn't physically in the classroom, if I was at a meeting or sick or whatever else happened. I wanted to know that, but I didn't need that information out in my inbox because as you can see, I've got 127 emails just to go through and get filed. And I was really proud of myself. I thought I had everything all filed. I don't. So I certainly don't need anything that I could move out in my way. So these are nested folders here in Gmail. Now, in Drive, I have the same kind of system underway. All of these folders had nested folders so that you can see everything I thought I might use with that. Here's all the chapters. Rosen is the publisher of our journalism textbook. Here's every chapter I've ever developed anything for. Chapter number, what it's about, subfolders for any of the information that goes with any of those things. And I can see all of those. Here's the photography chapter. That's where I should have started. Here's all of these different assignments and ideas and places to put the information and ways that I can get back to it because I've labeled it something I can find, because it's nested in a way that makes sense to me, because ultimately that's what any of these systems that you use has to do. Has to make sense to you. The idea is that you are able to own your information and find it, all the places that it could be, and exactly where it is that you need it to be so that you can use it with the least amount of stress. So that's 2 examples of nested folders. Go out and get organized.